To change the wheels on your Zero Turn mower, you will need an impact driver or ratchet wrench with a socket, an adjustable spanner. Next, use a jack to lift the front of your mower. You may need to raise the mower deck first to fit the jack underneath. Remove the front wheel nut with the socket while holding the bolt in place with the spanner and remove the wheel. You may need to use a chock or lower the mower to properly align the mounting points with the new wheel. With the dust cap over the wheel ends, insert the axle bolt, before threading the nut on the other side and tightening it with the socket and wrench. Test the wheels to ensure everything is working correctly. We recommend replacing both front wheels at the same time to maintain stability and even wear. Check out our full range of products on our website. Keep your business rolling with Richmond Rolling Solutions.